Imagine a vast orchestra, violins hum, trumpets blare, drums pound a steady beat. Each instrument is unique, yet together they create a harmonious symphony. Life on Earth is like this orchestra. It's a grand performance with a dazzling array of creatures. But beneath this diversity lies a profound unity. This unity is biochemical. It's the shared language of life, whispered from the smallest bacteria to the largest whale. From the towering redwoods to the microscopic bacteria teeming in the soil, life on Earth sings a common song. This melody is not one of sound, but of molecules. It's a symphony of biochemical reactions, played out in every cell of every organism. Understanding this biochemical unity is key to unlocking the secrets of life. It reveals the interconnectedness of all living things, reminding us that we are all part of one grand interconnected web. This unity is not just a beautiful concept. It has profound implications for scientific research. Studying one organism can unlock secrets about others. The mechanisms of DNA replication, first discovered in bacteria, illuminate the same process in human cells. This interconnectedness allows us to tackle some of the biggest challenges facing humanity, from disease to climate change. Every building needs bricks and mortar. Life is no different. All organisms are built from the same fundamental molecular building blocks. These blocks are like a universal construction set. They can be arranged in countless ways to create the diversity of life we see. First, we have the proteins. These are the workhorses of the cell. Proteins transport molecules, catalyze reactions, and provide structural support. Then there are carbohydrates, the primary source of energy for many life forms. Lipids, including fats and oils, form cell membranes and store energy. These molecules, though diverse in function, are all constructed from a smaller set of building blocks. But the story doesn't end there. Two more molecules, DNA and RNA, hold the blueprints of life. DNA is the master molecule of heredity. It contains the genetic instructions for building and maintaining an organism. RNA, a close relative of DNA, acts as a messenger, carrying genetic information from DNA to the protein-building machinery of the cell. The remarkable thing is this: the same basic building blocks of DNA and RNA are found in every organism on Earth. Imagine a car engine. It needs fuel to burn and release energy. Life operates similarly. All living things require energy to grow, move, and reproduce. This energy comes from the breakdown of food molecules, a process known as metabolism. Metabolism is like the engine of life, driving the complex processes that keep us alive. One of the most important metabolic pathways is cellular respiration. This process occurs in the mitochondria, the powerhouses of the cell. Through a series of chemical reactions, cellular respiration converts glucose, a type of sugar, into ATP, the universal energy currency of life. Some organisms, like plants and algae, can even harness light energy from the sun to create their own food through photosynthesis. This remarkable process converts light energy into chemical energy, stored in the bonds of glucose. From the smallest bacteria to the largest whale, every living thing depends on these fundamental metabolic processes. Section 4. The language of life. If life is a symphony, then DNA is the sheet music. It contains the genetic code, the language of life. This code is written in a 4-letter alphabet: A, T, C, and G. These letters represent the 4 nucleotide bases that make up DNA. The sequence of these bases determines the sequence of amino acids, the building blocks of proteins. Remarkably, this genetic code is nearly universal. The same 3-letter codons, sequences of 3 nucleotides, code for the same amino acids in almost all organisms. This universality is compelling evidence for a common ancestor for all life on Earth. This shared language has profound implications for biotechnology. Scientists can now transfer genes between organisms, creating genetically modified crops or developing new medical treatments. The possibilities are endless, all thanks to the universal language of life. Section 5. The currency of life. Just like money is the currency of human societies, ATP is the energy currency of life. This molecule is essential for powering a vast array of cellular processes. From muscle contractions to nerve impulses, ATP provides the energy needed for life to thrive. The beauty of ATP lies in its simplicity. It's a small molecule with a high-energy phosphate bond. When this bond is broken, energy is released, which can then be used to power cellular work. This process of breaking down ATP to release energy and then regenerating ATP through processes like cellular respiration is happening constantly in every cell of your body. The universality of ATP as the energy currency of life further underscores the interconnectedness of all living things. Whether it's a bacterium swimming in a drop of water or a human running a marathon, the same molecule is powering these incredible feats of life.